If you are having Pi Network KYC issue, come forward. Whether it's Pi Network pending KYC issue or not being able to submit KYC application, you are not the only one at this. Millions of people are currently facing this issue. Do they know what to do? No. Can they do something about it? Yes. I shared this particular update some time ago with my community members, and most of them who are facing this same issue found it very helpful. Let me show you how to solve this problem once and for all. As it worked for some of my community members, it will work for you. Just make sure you save this video, save it and share it to your friends and community who might be having this same issue. Let's get the tutorial started. Open your Pi browser app. You will see something like this arrow pointing down. Just tap on it. So after that, it will bring you to this interface right here. All you have to do is to cancel this pinet.com. Cancel it and paste what I'm about to drop in the comment section for you. Just go to the description or comment section of this video and you will see official Pi Network KYC issues appeal form link. Just check the comment section. You will see it. I will pin it in the comment section. Copy it and paste it right here. So after that, allow it to load up and it will bring you to this interface right here. Please take note. It says KYC application access feedback. As you can see from the test, if you go to kyc.py on the Pi browser, but you are not able to apply for KYC, it means that your account is identified by the system algorithm as being associated with policy violation, including fake accounts, scripting and more. If you think that there is a mistake by the algorithm, please fill in the form below to submit more information for us to investigate. So what this means is that this particular form is for those that can't submit Pi Network KYC application. In some cases, maybe the phone number you use to register Pi Network has been used in the past to register more than one account, and also in most cases due to other Pi Network policy violations. So that's some of the cases that will make them not to allow you to submit an application for KYC. Please take note, this phase of the tutorial is for those that can't apply for Pi KYC. So if you're having other KYC issues like Pi Network pending KYC issue, or when you are submitting your KYC application, you are having error issues and all kinds of issues on KYC, make sure to watch this video to the end. Watch it to the end so that you won't miss out on the tutorial. So as you can see from this form you're about to fill, they say you should input your username. They said careful, no spelling mistake. So you know where to get your username. When you go to your Pi mining app under settings, then you will go to profile, to your profile, and you will see your username there. It's as simple as that. So the next one, they are asking you to explain why shouldn't this behavior be associated with fake accounts, scripting or other policy violations. Why should your account be allowed to apply for KYC? So you're expected to answer this question based on the reason they gave you for not able to apply for KYC. So if it's because of the phone number, maybe another person have used that same phone number to register Pi Network before in the past, before you, then you give your reasons why that phone number is yours or why it's not yours. So just give your reason, take your time and write it, or even if it's short, just make sure that the main points stand out. So on to the next one. I'm not able to start a KYC application. True. You just click on that true and then submit. So that's how you can simply report or submit appeal for KYC not being able to submit KYC application on Pi Network. So after submitting this form, within 24 hours or 48 hours, you'll be able to submit your KYC or get review from them if they didn't still allow you to go ahead with your KYC application. Trust me, so many people that I shared this method found it very, very helpful. Let's get the tutorial started. For those of you that are having Pi Network pending KYC issues or other issues like when you are trying to submit your KYC application, you are getting error issues all the time. Here is the how to go about it. It's as simple as that. Once you follow this video very, very carefully. If you have watched this video to this extent, what you will not regret doing is subscribing to this channel. Just hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I drop updates like this. And also use the link in the comment section to join my Telegram community for daily crypto updates. And also don't forget to share this video to your friends and community, anyone you know at all who are having this Pi Network pending KYC issue. So if they have submitted KYC for the past years or months and the KYC is not being approved, just share the video to them and they will appreciate you a lot, because so many people that I have shared this information or this method with, they found it very, very helpful. It worked for them. Let's get the tutorial started. Go to your Pi mining app, click here, go to support portal. So they will bring you to this interface right here. Just go down and you will see options. Just click on the first option, which is KYC in email request. So here is the summary of what they are saying here. If you just join Pi Network newly, you cannot apply for KYC until you complete 30 mining sections. Yes, until you mine up to 30 times. So this is likely consecutively. So what the number 2 is saying is that a few accounts were flagged by the system as possibly breaking the rules, or because of that, those accounts are not allowed to do KYC right now. So if someone believes the account was flagged by mistake, they can ask Pi Network to check it again by filling out the form provided below. So this link you are seeing here is the same link I talked about at the initial phase of this tutorial. If you remember, just go and check in the comment section the link I dropped for those that can't submit their KYC application, the link I provided for them to make a report or to submit appeal. Just confirm the link from the comment section and compare it with what you are seeing right here. So scroll down, input your email address here and input your Pi username. So if you don't know where to get your username, open your Pi mining app, go to settings, under profile, you will see your username there. Just input it here. Input your verification method right here. So if you didn't remember, you just say I can't remember, or if it's phone number, Facebook, email, or if you are not verified at all. So to know whether you are verified or to know your verification status, just go to your Pi mining app, go to settings, under profile, you will see your verification status, whether it's phone number you verify, Facebook, email. So you just confirm whichever one, or you can just save the stress and just type I can't remember and move on. So right here they are asking, do you remember your password? This page is 100% secure, and also people that are going to review this our form that we are filling are Pi support team. But for me, if I'm the one filling the form, I will just go for the second option, which is no, I don't remember my password, and move on. But there's some advantage of providing all the details needed for the support team so that they will know how to help you better. But if I'm the one filling the form, trust me, we have trust issue in my country, so I'll just skip. So the next one, you input your country of citizenship, and the next one is your country of residence, the country you are currently staying. So the next one is specific iOS version, for example Android 8.1 or iOS 13.1. So when you go to your phone settings, you will see your Android version. So whether it's 10.0, whether it's, so whichever one you are going to see there and input it. It's as simple as that. So the next one is to input your phone brand. So the brand, whichever brand you are using, just input it there. So remember, these forms serve a lot of purpose based on KYC issues, but if we are following pending Pi Network KYC issues, so the first one here, which is prior to application, so all you have to do is just to tap on none. Then we move over to application. So when submitting your KYC application, issue with the first screen, consent, age, country, ID card, something like that. So if none of this is your problem or is your issue, the issue you are having, just tap on none and skip to the next. So the next one is, when did you apply for your KYC that is currently pending? So if you can't remember, just go for the option I don't remember. So moving on to the next one, request for your pending KYC application. So if Pi Network did not give you any specific reasons for keeping your KYC pending up till now, so all you have to do is just go on and type on order But if you find the reasons among this list, you just go ahead and click on that particular reason. Maybe I submitted the wrong type of ID. The name I use for the KYC application is different from the name I used to register the Pi account, or another issues. The thing is that if the issues is not among this list, just move on to the next one. Don't click anything. So we are going to skip these two here and move over to the last phase of this form, because those ones are not really our issue. So on the description, if you have anything to say prior to the form that you just filled, so all you have to do is just to explain it to them so that Pi support team can understand you better and your problem and know how to help you. So below you can see where you can tag a picture. You can go to that particular place that your KYC is showing pending. Just screenshot that place and click on this browser. Once you click on this browse, so you will see it will take you to your gallery and you select the picture that you just screenshotted and impute it. Then after doing that, you tap on send. So that is how you report your Pi network pending KYC issues. Within 48 hours or thereabout, they will send you an email. Yes, they will give you a feedback. Some people won't take up to 1 week, so depending. So you are going to receive an email from Pi support team very soon, and hopefully your Pi KYC will be approved. So many of my community came to me and testified that this method really works for them, and I was so happy, and I decided to make this video to share it out so that more people can get to know about this method and benefit from it, especially those who have been waiting for this pending KYC issue for ages. So this will be helpful. Please make sure you share this video. Make sure you share this video to your friends and community and everyone you know going through these issues that their KYC are still pending up till now. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Very important.